guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you turn one of these old bathroom vanity mirror. Is that a vanity mirror? Just a medicine cabinet mirror into just a regular wall mount mirror. Well, as you guys know, I am doing a renovation on my bathroom in conjunction with Wani's house. She's doing a 6 week makeover, and I had a mirror up already, and I decided, I don't want two rounds and squares and stuff together, so I wanted to do something different. So I decided to take this mirror apart. Now it have these hinges here, and the hinges is held together by a long wire. That's what I noticed. So what I am going to go ahead and do is take the wire out. And how I did that, I took a finishing nail and use a hammer very gently and pound the wire through. And now I've taken it out. So now I'm going to measure from one end of the hole to the other side. I want to make a hole on because it's a piece of metal on the back of it that's holding it together. So with my ashy hands and a screw and a Dollar Tree level, I'm using it as a ruler. I'm measuring the distance from one hole to the other, and I am going to use a drill. Pray for me. A drill, yes. And hopefully I don't break the glass. Listen, I would have ended up throwing it out anyway if I couldn't use it. So I might as well try, right? Let's see us trying what's going to happen. So I took a thin piece of wood, and I pushed through the back. That's where the metal and the glass meets. I'm pushing it in so I could have like a cushion. That's the only thing I could think about. But pray for me and cross your fingers that I don't break this mirror. So like I showed you the little lift that it has. And I'm going to take my drill and use my bigger size drill bit to go through that metal. So I guess it's going to happen. Let's see. She might break the darn thing. Let's see. Let's put a little pressure on it, but meanwhile lifting this piece up. And guys, it's not because I know how to do stuff. I figure these things out on the fly. And I'm showing you because you could sure do the same thing too, instead of going out and buying a new mirror. So I drilled a hole. Look, she did that. Yeah, she sure did. And she didn't break it either. So I drill it, and now I'm going to take my wood out and then take the piece inside and add some type of string to the back of it and hung the mirror. Yeah. So this is how everything is looking. And now I brought it inside in the bathroom, and y'all see my handy dandy string? Don't tell Lowe's, but I get my string from Lowe's. So don't tell them I sent you either. So my string, I got it from Lowe's a while back. And I didn't throw it out. I rolled it on a toilet paper holder. And I'm showing you the hole, and it's properly level. And I am going to cut some of the string and add it. And it's a nylon string, so it wouldn't have any stretch to it. So I first made a boo-boo. I started from the outside, and then eventually I start from the inside of the hole to go out to tie it. So I'm telling you that you could do the same thing too. I just made the mistakes that you don't have to. So I'm feeding it from the outside. And another boo-boo that I made, I cut my string too short. So now I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot, like a stationary knot first on the edge of your cord. so it wouldn't slip through. So if you tie a knot at the end of the cord and then you go ahead and use that side to just tie it down, you could do it. So now I'm measuring my string, but as you're going to see, I had to take it out because I had measured it too short. Yeah, I love doing projects. So that was just perfect for me to go ahead and do that bathroom DIY. So I'm measuring it, and I realized eventually I measured it too short. So I'm showing you my mistakes that you don't have to. And I don't feel like going to get no scissors, so I'm going to use a pliers to see if I could cut this. Yes, cut, cut, cut. You got to cut. So it did. So we're going to just feed it through the other side from the inside to the outside. That's how you will get a better way to tie it. And one thing that you could also do is burn the end of the nylon cord with a lighter. So I'm realizing now that my string is too short, and I'm going to have to take it loose. I'm going to have to take it loose. Yeah, so I'm going to take the string back out and reattach it back together. So now is the new string. And I'm going to just, like I said, attach it. And then hung the mirror and show you guys how well it worked out. And the knot you tie on one end of the cord, you're going to tie the same knot, similar knot on the other side of the cord. And get it all together. So see, I'm bringing you close. And you pull it to the side and just tie it. So guys, continue to watch the video because this is all the instructions, and you could do that yourself. If you have a mirror like this, don't get rid of it. Give it new life. So guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification and continue to watch the video, because to the end of the video, I will show you the mirror being hung in place.